Welcome to Crafty History, Chinese New Year Firecrackers. This is a joint teen and adult program. I'm Joanne, Adult Services Associate at Nichols Library. Today we will be making paper firecrackers to celebrate the Lunar New Year. Why firecrackers? The noise and explosion from the firecrackers are said to scare away evil spirits before the start of a new year. If you registered for this program, you can pick up a craft kit. It looks like this. In this craft kit are pieces of red cardstock, a white envelope containing gold strips, red broadcloth, an embroidery hoop, gold ribbon, there should be 2 pieces, gold cord, and a piece of paper with a tiger printed on it. There is also a gold marker. You should also have a worksheet for writing the Chinese character for tiger. Not provided in this kit are glue and scissors. You should have them handy for this craft. The first step in making this craft is preparing the embroidery hoop. You will need the hoop, the broadcloth, gold cord, gold ribbon, both pieces, glue, and scissors. To start, unscrew the top of the embroidery hoop and take the inner hoop out of the outer one. Next, you'll tie the pieces of gold ribbon to the hoop. Take the gold ribbon and put them together and fold them in half to make a loop. I'm a little off camera, sorry. Pull the ends of the ribbon through the loop to secure it to the hoop and pull the ends tight. Adjust the ribbon so it is at the bottom of the hoop. Next, unravel the gold cord and do the same. That is, fold it in half to create a loop and pull the ends through to tie it to the bottom of the hoop. Next, take the smaller inner hoop and apply glue to the outside rim. Put the broadcloth over this hoop. Then put glue on the inside rim of the larger outer hoop. Push the hoop over the broadcloth and smaller hoop. Then tighten the screw at the top of the entire embroidery hoop. Take your scissors and trim the broadcloth. Your embroidery hoop should now look something like this. The broadcloth should fit inside the hoop, and the pieces of gold ribbon and gold cord should be tied to the bottom. Take the piece of paper with a tiger on it and cut out the tiger. When you're done doing that, glue the tiger on the cloth in the center of the hoop. Then set the embroidery hoop aside to dry. While the embroidery hoop is drying, we can make the firecrackers. Take out the pieces of red cardstock and the envelope with gold strips. You will have extras of both the gold strips and the cardstock. I'm putting aside the 2 extra pieces of cardstock right now. Take 2 gold strips and glue them to the top and the bottom of the cardstock. These are for decoration. Do the same with 7 other pieces of cardstock and gold strips, and then set everything aside to dry. We will be making 8 firecrackers altogether because 8 is a lucky number in Chinese. When you're done, your cardstock should look something like this. Now we will write the Chinese character for tiger. In Chinese, you pronounce the word tiger by saying hu. See the stroke order in the first box. Then trace the outline strokes in the next 2 boxes before practicing on your own. We're writing the word tiger here because this is the year of the tiger, of course. Let's finish making the firecrackers by writing hu on them. Write the character in the middle of each piece of red cardstock. Of course, you can have your worksheet handy to remember how to write this word. In the end, you'll have something like this, with 8 pieces of red cardstock with the character tiger on them. For this next step, you may want to have the paper clip from the kit handy. Take each piece of cardstock and curl them to make a firecracker shape. Glue the ends of the cardstock together and fasten with the paper clip if you'd like to while they dry. Repeat that process to make the other 7 firecrackers. After the firecrackers dry, take your scissors and poke a hole in the seam on the back of each firecracker. You will want to make the hole roomy to thread cord through it. Do the same with the other 7 firecrackers. Here is where it all comes together. Thread the gold cord from the hoop through each firecracker by threading from the inside to the outside. A pencil or a pair of scissors may help you do this threading. I've also folded the thread in half to make it a little bit easier to pull the cord through. When you continue to thread each firecracker from the inside to the outside, the firecrackers will lie perpendicular to each other. When you're done threading all 8 firecrackers, loop the cord around the last firecracker and tie a knot. Again, a pair of scissors or a pencil may help you thread the cord through the hole. The knot should look something like this at the end. The last step is curling the ribbon with your scissors. Now you have finished making your firecrackers. Happy Year of the Tiger. Best wishes to you in this new year. Thank you for watching this program. Have a great day.